Hello everyone, my name is Katie Myers.
And I'm Rick Southwick.
And we're both with ICI Homes in beautiful Plantation Bay, located in Ormond Beach, Florida. And we have something very, very exciting to share with you.
We are going to have an open house this coming weekend, July 25th and 26th from 1 to 5 p.m. each day. And we're inviting everyone and anyone out to come see our new model homes.
If you're a realtor, if you're a Plantation Bay resident, if you're thinking about becoming a Plantation Bay resident, come on out. We have 3 different single-family model homes open to show you. And we also have our ever so popular maintenance-free villas to show you. A single-story and a 2-story option. And there will be
a gift basket. So make sure when you come out, you register for your chance to win. But please come to Plantation Bay this weekend, 1 to 5, Saturday and Sunday, to get in, take a look at our new homes, our model homes, talk to us, find out what's going on, all that good stuff.
Yeah, so we're excited to see you. We'll see you this weekend.
All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.